So the flooding has begun, and both of the on-ramps to the bridge across the river, there's two bridges in our city, for those who don't live here, and up here 2 blocks, not this block, but the next one, is Westmoreland Street, which goes onto the Westmoreland Street Bridge, and that's the only way onto the bridge right now from this side of the river. I don't know if the other side off-ramps are flooded as well, but traffic is backed up both ways from Smythe Street all the way to Westmoreland. Westmoreland, you can see cars that are trying to turn the corner, but there's so much traffic that they can't even do that. So I've actually passed a semi-truck twice now, going at the speed I am, which isn't too bad today, but that's because I spent that far left. So now I'm on Westmoreland Street, and traffic is backed bumper to bumper. You are going nowhere in this city. Not very quickly, that's for sure. And yeah, I'm going to try and get down to the water and get some video of the chaos that has caused this. Further chaos. Lots of chaos in Fredericton. Don't take much for it to happen, that's for sure. So this is something I've never seen before. I mean, I've lived here all my life except for those 20 years, but it's flooded right onto Brunswick Street, so this area is completely closed down up to Regent Street. Trying to jump across. It's crazy, crazy. So yeah, I guess we're already surpassed where it was supposed to be Sunday. Wow. I've never seen this before. This probably has just come up from the sewers. Like it's saturated into the ground. But my sister-in-law's, I don't know what she, Murray, the woman I was talking to, was saying that it could come on to Brunswick, or George Street over there. This is Brunswick Street here. Surprising that's not coming up out of this manhole cover yet.
That's fucking true.
So crazy. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, it's just come up through the sewers here. This is really weird because Regent Street's like devoid of traffic, but every other street is like blocked up all the way up the hill. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna go down to the walking bridge, and I should be able to get a good elevated view of the situation from there. Yeah. I guess I passed a buddy of mine who was in a car like 3 times. I ran into my neighbor who was going across the river, and he was stuck in traffic, but he was pretty close to the bridge. If you take the side streets, which a lot of people don't seem to have clued in yet, you can kind of bypass a lot of the traffic. So yeah, like 2 days ago I was walking along the green there, and now the water's right up over the green. Incredible. It's gonna be up on the road soon. Like real soon.